Ultramobile's no service errors often arise from SIM card issues, IMEI restrictions, poor coverage, or carrier side problems. Start by checking your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. Verify your phone's IMEI is not blocked due to being reported stolen or having unpaid bills by contacting Ultramobile support or using their app. Use Ultramobile's coverage map or a third-party app like OpenSignal to ensure you're in an area with adequate coverage. If the basics check out, proceed to troubleshooting. Start with the basics. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches that might cause no service errors. Ensure your device's APN settings are set to wholesale for Ultramobile. This configures your data connection properly. If issues persist, perform a carrier reset through the Ultramobile app or support. This refreshes your network connection without erasing data. For IMEI-related blocks, contact Ultramobile support with proof of purchase and ownership to request unblocking. Keep firmware updated to avoid software problems. If needed, replace the physical SIM or switch to eSIM if supported.